Assalamualaikum ji, thank you so much for taking up the time, and I apologize for the delay, but you do understand we had to wait, which you would ask something and ask it. So no, I won't be taking much of your time. एक छोटी सी presentation है to just guide the players इस match को follow करना. Next. So basically first for the league overview. ठीक है, लीग के अंदर पूरा स्ट्रक्चर में थोड़ा सा आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ दैट वी आर टेकिंग इट ऑल ओवर पाकिस्तान. फॉर द फर्स्ट क्वार्टर इट्स पिंडी इस्लामाबाद, सेकंड क्वार्टर इट्स लाहौर, थर्ड क्वार्टर इट्स कराची, एंड इन 10th month of next year inshallah there will be a Champions League of the city leagues. All right, why we are doing this, you all know we want the sports to grow and actually have a structured model in which anyone can pursue it as a career. Important key dates, as you all know, registrations have started for the players and the clubs as well. They are going to finish on 30th of November. Then club heading takes place on 3rd to 5th December, followed by trials from 7th to 13th. After which categorization of finalization, categorization take place for the players, which will be followed by the player meeting. And as I already told you in the first quarter, it will be the Twin City. Registration fee for the players is just an amount of 5,000. It's a non-refundable fee, but that gives you an access to the trials for the league. Now coming to the player categorization and their composition, their base prices, you all know already that in this league players will be billed. So the base price for the Alpha category player starts from 80,000. For the Bravo category it's 50,000, and for the Charlie category is 30,000. One thing I would like to highlight that the bidding price for any player, 60% of that bidding price goes directly to the player. Only 40% the league is going to retain. There is a monthly engagement allowance for the players, and within that allowance we have registered a small travel allowance. Alright, what growth opportunities and the benefits there are for the players. Financial benefits I have already told you. In the following slides you will also see a structure that in what all compartments, what all benefits you will be receiving. There is exposure recognition. We are partnered with Nyko. All the matches will be live streamed, and the semi and final of A category will be live broadcasted. So that's a big exposure for personal brands as well as for franchise clubs. Professional development, you all know, playing ad sets, top tier battle, there would be multiple exposures you people will be getting, and that is good for you in the sport as well. So this is the prize pool which we have kept for the 3 categories. In the Alpha category, the first place team gets 1.2 million, the second place team gets 1 million, third place gets 8 lakh, and fourth place gets 6 lakh. In this, we have kept that 65% goes to the club and 35% goes to the player. For Bravo category, first place 8 lakh, second place 6 lakh 50,000, third place 5 lakh, and fourth place is 3 lakh. For Charlie, first place 4 lakh, second is 3 lakh, third is 2 lakh, and fourth place is 1 lakh. So we are structured in such that there are 6 franchise clubs, so 4 out of 6 take home something. So there is something for everyone over there. Now these are the player financial benefits, which I was already talking about. The different compartments में हमने इसको कैसे मॉडल किया. The team in Alpha category coming on first position, the player share per player is 2,10,000. The engagement allowance is 30,000. Base price is 48,000. You can say we have taken out the whole hours which you will be having for the playing time in terms of practice and playing matches. So that is 1,60,000. So in total you will have a benefit of 4,48,000 in a span of 14 days. And that is not per team, that is per player. So when you go to 2 players, so it is somewhere near 1 million rupees. For fourth place, it is 6 lakh. The team price then for a player share, it's 1,05,000, 30,000, 48,000, and 1,60,000. So it amounts to 3,43,000. While in Bravo category, the first team takes 8 lakh rupees. So price share value for a player is 1,40,000, 20,000 is the engagement. Allowance 30,000 is its base price, 1,60,000 is like 3,50,000. In case of fourth player, it's like 2,62,500. For the Charlie category, any player taking first position is 2,58,000, and at fourth position it's at 2,05,500. So what are all benefits other than this monetary value we bring in? That is the broadcast coverage, social media highlights and reels, print and press coverage, podcast feature and interviews. In between doing all the players, we have our separate channel. We are going to be uploading your reels, your podcast on that, and all these podcasts and reels will be in collaboration with Myco. So that's a major traction which you will be having for your personal branding. Official player rankings of the league, access to player and facility network, season-long digital presence, performance tracking and analysis. Now the house is open. If you have any questions, you can ask.
What did you mean by club bidding? There was a section that said club bidding, I think 13 to 15 December or something of that sort. What did that mean?
Player bidding.
नहीं उसमें एक पहले option club bidding भी लिखा हुआ था.
That is, I think, 4th to 5th, 3rd to 5th December.
Franchise
club.
What does that mean exactly?
We have 6 franchise clubs.
Okay.
So 10 clubs show interest that we want to be part of this team.
Okay.
So out of those 10, 6 will be selected on the basis of an auction.
Okay.
The highest 6 bidders are going to take those franchise clubs.
Okay, and what is the lowest bid for that?
3 lakh.
3 lakh. Okay, ठीक.
Is there a chance? I think for people who were present yesterday, can you pull up the presentation that you had yesterday? Just so that you at least tell them
For the club owners?
yeah, for the club owners. Because I think a few of them, especially Faisal,
She kindly mentioned
How much is that amount? If there was something else like benefit or something.
वो हमने से दोबारा ब्रेकडाउन दोबारा
एक तो ब्रेकडाउन वो तो मैं समझ
उसके अंदर एंगेजमेंट अनाउंसमेंट ने लिखा रहता है
वो 30,000 वन टाइम किया गया
वन टाइम फॉर 40 days for 40 days for 40
बड़े नाइस
ये हो गया क्लब वाले
क्या ड्यूरेशन का फॉर 14 days जो
तो वापस So basically ये distribution is for
So basically, from a player's perspective, total investment is 5,000 rupees and their time,
5,000 rupees and the guy.
and the return is this range that we wrote.
So हर कैटेगरी में let's say अल्फा कैटेगरी है उसमें कितने प्लेयर्स होंगे पर क्लब
Five club, 2 playing players and 1 reserve player.
और ये क्लब डिसाइड करेगा कौन खेल रहा है कौन सा प्लेयर बन रहा है किस तरह टीम बन रही है
वो club owner की decision.
सो लेट्स से अगर क्लब ओनर डिसाइड करता है कि मैंने रिजर्व को खिलाना है मैच
वो class होता है. Except the reserve player is there.
इस पे प्लेयर्स की कितनी से होगी कि कौन सा पार्टनर मुझे चाहिए या किस तरह मैंने खेलना है
ये तो club owner की decision.
क्लब ओनर का
Club owner. ये भी कोई से नहीं.
Can I ask one question?
जी.
Is the reserve player mandatory? Do you have to mandatory get a
No, it's
reserve?
not mandatory. It's totally for your sake. For example, God forbid, किसी को कोई injury हो जाती है. There's something goes wrong. The next match is up. Walk over
In the case of an injury, is there a chance we can go back to the auction and select somebody or no?
there is an option कि आप reserve pool की तरफ से आ सकते हैं.
Okay.
For the players, I missed out a very important point, that is कि अगर आपने इसका registration कर दी है and you don't form part of anything, so this registration is good for the next year. You don't have to pay it. So that is what we can do for people.
ठीक.
Follow up question भाई,
जी।
अगर तो reserve player कभी for instance in the initial bidding a club doesn't bid for reserve, लेकिन during the tournament or the event अगर आप reserve player acquire करना चाहो, is it possible at that stage?
That is possible, but जब आप शुरू में reserve player bid कर रहे होंगे, तो base price उसकी 50% पे आएगी.
ठीक है.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक कैटेगरी की बात करते हैं तो वो 40,000 पे है, लेकिन जब आप लीग स्टार्ट होने के ऊपर कहेंगे कि नहीं अभी हमें रिजर्व पे, तो फिर आपने 100% वैल्यू के ऊपर लेके आना.
How does one decide कि उस वक्त रिजर्व प्लेयर कौन सा है जो चूज नहीं होते, बस वो रिजर्व ऑटोमेटिकली चले जाते हैं प्लेयर्स. लेट्स अज्यूम अभी आपने कहा था 40,000 हो जाएगी ना, सो लेट्स अज्यूम कि पहला राउंड होता है ऑक्शन का, जो उसमें प्लेयर्स नहीं चूज होते हैं वो दे विल यू कैन चूज देम फॉर 40,000 और व्हाट हाउ डज दैट वर्क?
आपने शुरू में 2 प्लेइंग मेंबर्स लेने हैं, एक रिजर्व.
ठीक है.
जब आप शुरू में बेट कर रहे होंगे, जब हम बेट चलाएंगे तो
बिल्कुल.
पहले तो हम प्लेइंग मेंबर्स के लिए करेंगे.
ठीक है.
उसमें 80,000 का बेस प्राइस ऊपर की सीलिंग में आए ऑलरेडी.
ठीक है. ठीक है.
जब वो खत्म हो जाती है फिर हम रिजर्व की स्टार्ट करेंगे, 1 प्लेयर पर टीम. कोई भी टीम अगर फोगो करती है, अगर फोगो नहीं करती तो उसके लिए ये होगा कि 80,000 की जगह 40,000 से बेट स्टार्ट होगी.
अच्छा.
In the first phase.
In the first, second time के अंदर it would be back to 100%.
ओके. ठीक अंडरस्टूड.
And obviously the players who haven't been selected उसी कूदने से बराबर
Definitely.
And does it have a mining of the area that they normally represent, or anybody can come and play this up?
सर हमने ये स्टिपुलेशन रखी है कि अगर इस्लामाबाद आपने खेली है तो यू कैन नॉट प्ले इलाहाबाद एंड कराची. अगर कराची तो लाइकवाइज आपने कराची से आके इस्लामाबाद खेल लिया तो आप फिर ना कराची खेल सकते हैं. 1 player कैन प्ले एट 1 place.
उसमें प्रॉब्लम होगी.
जी सर.
मतलब वो ये है कि अभी मुझे उसका कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मुझे कोई इशू नहीं है, बट एक लीग, एक सिटी की लीग बहुत वीक होगी, क्योंकि एक कैटेगरी के आई एम श्योर कि आपने वर्किंग की होगी.
बिल्कुल.
कोई बहुत ज्यादा प्लेयर नहीं है आपके पास.
ऐसे ही है सर. इस्लामाबाद में दिस इज प्रॉब्लम.
नहीं, इस्लामाबाद की हर जगह ऐसे ही होगा. जब भी पूरी पाकिस्तान का हाल ऊपर टाइप होता है ना, 16 टीमें बड़ी मुश्किल से बनती हैं. 16 टीमें बन जाती हैं.